Hey, what is up guys? So I'm here to share off this other ygopro server called the Salvation server. It got a huge overhaul and update, and a lot of you guys have been saying like, I don't like Dueling Network, I can't use DevPro. Maybe you can use ygopro Salvation server, maybe this is the server for you guys, and it's just another server, so I mean, you guys can go ahead and check it out yourself and see if you like it. And of course this is all free. But anyways, I figured I'd go and cover it and kind of talk a little bit more about why this server might be for you and some of the other features that it has. So again, it's all free, whether it's ygopro, DevPro, or Salvation server. They are essentially all at its core. It's just the ygopro, like it's the same application essentially, but there's other servers. People run things differently. There's obviously going to be different admins, but I'll tell you some of the things that I like with this server, and you guys can check it out. But anyways, I'll leave all the links to how to download it and all that stuff down below in the description box. But I just want to cover, what the changes are from this server, from other servers, and you guys can kind of see it. So. As far as like the deck edit, it's very similar. It's at its core, again, they're all similar. It starts you out with the starter MM and then the OEM. So there's two different decks that you can have once you start off the application. But of course, you guys are going to build your custom decks, and it's very similar. You just add the cards. There's nothing new with this, but one thing I do want to mention, I do like the color scheme that they have, which is the black and pink. That's kind of cool. Some people don't really know how to customize like the background and stuff like that, so you'll have access to of course the sexy I guess Magi grill in the background. But as far as that goes, I like the color scheme of this more than any other ones. Like I said, I know you can customize them, but sometimes people don't really know how to customize stuff, so that's kind of nice. But what I really like is as soon as you log in and you go to the news section, it shows you all of the new stuff updated. So like you can see the date that it was updated, and then on top of that you can see the new card, you can see a picture of it, and then you also can read the card's effect. That is really awesome. Some of you guys that use DevPro, you go into the new card section and it just shows you the cards. But I feel like it's really nice to have this page where you can see the card, you see the effect of the monster, and you can decide, oh, do I really want to use it or no? But yeah, there's more stuff than just cards in here. There's other news, but for the most part, the thing that I like personally about it is all of the new cards, and it shows you the effects. So it's just really nice and organized, and I like it that it's all in the correct order too. Very nice stuff indeed. Another thing that I think is really cool that some of you guys will like is if you go into the settings section over here, you can click on Dueling Network over here. And so what that does is if you click on it, it'll open up a new page to Dueling Network, but it's going to use the let's get that through here. Okay, so if you open up the Dueling Network page on that, what it's going to do is it's going to, I'm going to go over this URL right here. It's going to select the card image base off of a local host, so that's going to basically use your computer. If you have the images, which I will link down below in the description box, you can play DN with the images. So yeah, it's going to give you this URL over here that will be different. You can technically type it in, but it's kind of nice the way they've done it, because it makes it more friendly for some of the people that don't really know how to use computers. But yeah, I'll explain everything in the description box below, because I just want to get through some of the more important things. So as far as the game list, you can obviously join games, you can spectate. Like if, for example, we go ahead and click on the spectate button over here, it'll open up a new page, and then you, okay, well, that game just ended, or, okay, so we'll click on this, and you can see that you can mouse over the stuff, and it'll be like the same thing, and let me just make it bigger. So you guys can kind of see everything over here, and you guys can check it out for yourself. And some of the cards, if they are blank over here, that means that, well, sometimes it can be a glitch, but sometimes it can be that you haven't installed the update, so the update might have not gone through, so maybe try it again. What you can do also is, in the very beginning, something that's really important when you open up Salvation. Let me go ahead and do this right now. So when you go ahead and open up Salvation, so once it loads, so as soon as you download the application, you open up the launcher.exe, which I actually should show you guys really quickly. So if you go, and after you install it, locate wherever you installed it, and then you want to double click on the launcher. Don't go into ygopro and then click on this launcher. That will go into LAN mode. You want to click on the launcher from the Salvation folder. So as soon as you log in, or open up the application, you'll see that you're granted with this thing. It's like, oh, terms of service, you click agree. But over on the top left, the more important thing here is right now it says update complete. When you first install the application, it's going to have an update and it's going to have a progress bar, and it'll have like a %, and you just wait for that thing to complete. Wait for it to complete before you do anything. I guess you can read the terms of service for those of you that read these, and then you go ahead and click agree, and then you type in your username and password, and then obviously if you register, it's pretty self-explanatory. All it asks is for your email, and again, it's all free anyways. So you go ahead and log in, and then again, the news page is something that I really like. I also really like the color scheme that they have for this. And again, some of you guys that might not be able to download DevPro, you couldn't get it to work, maybe you guys can get this one to work, or if you don't like Dueling Network, or heck, if you even like Dueling Network, you can go to the settings, and then you can go and click on the Dueling Network, and then you can download all the files. I'll explain that in the description box below, because it's really easy, and I'm not going to go ahead and download all the files, because it's going to take a long time. It's like 2 gigs of images, and then you guys will have to just paste them in a folder. It's really simple. I'll just write the steps down below in the description box for some of you guys that want to use Dueling Network, and you guys want the images, because obviously who wouldn't want the images? But yeah, that's like the gist of it. On Salvation Server, they also have like a forum and an IRC, so you guys can use that if you guys want to use that. But those are some of the things that I like with this server. And again, a lot of you guys have said I can't access DevPro, you know, it doesn't work for me, I get this error or something. Maybe just download this, because I'm not the person that created these. I'm not going to be able to determine every one of your errors, so this could just be a application for you guys, and you guys can try it out. If you guys try it out, let me know what you guys think of it. Get some feedback from you guys. If you're wondering like which one do I like the best, you know, I kind of just play on all of them, simply because I know a lot of my viewers, some of them, they don't have access to you know, DevPro, they don't have access to ygopro. I just kind of play with all of them, just so I can, you know, play with a lot of you guys, because again, some of you guys can't, you know, install one of them or the other, so I'll try to use all of them. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and like I said, all the links will be down below in the description box if you guys want to download the game. Again, it is all free. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and let me know what you think of the Salvation server. But anyways, I'm signing out.